What's up, YouTube family out there? It's your boy Denzell coming to you. Today I'm about to give you guys a video on how to create your own intro video for either YouTube, your gaming channel, or whatever you may want to use it for. Now, I'm going to be doing a screen record showing you guys how to do this. Throughout this whole thing, I use 3 apps. Okay, so the 3 apps that I use is Pocket Video, iMovie, and PixArt. Now, what you have to do is you have to go to, let's say, the Google. And then when you go into Google, you add in like a background. You can say like white, green, purple, whichever you prefer. So I'm going to say purple. Purple background. You grab it. You hold down on which one you want. Add the photos. Save it. You leave out of that. And you go here to iMovies. In iMovies, you hit the plus sign. You go to new project, as in movie. You pick your background, which mine was the purple. You hit create movie. After you create movie, it's going to show up. You want to tap on your project frame. You take it in. I just put mine on 10 seconds because that's all I need is 10 seconds. But you could put it on whatever you would like. Hit key burns because then it'll stop it from moving. Hit done. Then you go to save the video and it exports out for you. I just use 1080p. You can use whichever you like. It's gonna export the movie. You hit OK. And boom, you're done with that. So now you go over to Pocket Video. When you're in Pocket Video, you go to Start New Project, Custom Video. I like to use the landscape, but you can use whatever you like. Hit the plus sign, hit Camera Roll, go to Recent. Bam, there you go. You hit that, and there you go with that. So that's there. So now, I'll add a sticker. So hit the plus sign. When you add a sticker, go to Recents. I'll use my Mr. Denzell 07. Now you can shrink it however you like, and you could have it hooked up like that, and then you hit plus sign. Now, say for instance, if I want to add some icons, so I go to video sticker, I hit the plus sign, I go to YouTube, and I say, let's say green. I'll do icons, green screen. Let's see if they give me all like the YouTube and social. Well, you know what? Let's do social media green screen. How about that? Social media icons. Let's see what they give us. Oh, maybe I should have put green screen. Green screen. And you add green screen in because green screen, it could help you out with some stuff. So I'm going to just do, let's just try this one. Now it loads up and it gives you multiple of choices. So you could choose what you like. So I'm just going to choose the subscribe. What you do is you go all the way back here. You pull that up all the way until you get to subscribe. Like I said, you get a few choices. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to hit done. It's going to add it in. Let's see. I'll put it right here. You can always hit the mask too, because if you hit mask, you can go to green screen and it adds it right in so that it can't be seen as green with your picture. So once you do that, you hit done. Now, if you like, you can add another photo sticker if you like. So I add photo sticker. I hit recent. Let's say I want to do this. So I'll do this right here. And I kind of fix it up a little bit, move it over. And you know, you can put it wherever you like. I'm going to set it right there. And then I'm going to add Let's see, let's do Facebook. I'll add Facebook there. So now I got Facebook and I got my Snapchat. So now we're going to move that right there. Hook those up. So now we're going to move on over to, once that's created, well, actually, let me make that a little bit smaller. So I got my Facebook and I got my Snapchat. So now we're going to add some words. The words, you go right back on your on your project. You hit text. After you hit text, you hit add. I like to use dynamic. So with dynamic, you go and you press dynamic. Now, it's your choice on what words you like to use. With me, I'm going to use A, B, C, D. Because I like the fact that it doesn't have a background on it. A, B, C, D, blue. I like the fact that it doesn't have a background on it. So I can take it and have it my kind of. I like the fact that you could change it up and make it your own style. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in my Snapchat. So Zell Bowden is my Snapchat. I'm going to take that. I keep picking that up. But let's put that there. We're going to move it. I'm going to resize it a little bit. So you resize it like that. Let me resize it a little more. And now that's resized. I'm going to move this over just a little bit. And we put that there. And that's pretty much that. I'm not going to get all off into that because I want you guys to more know how to do the video and stuff. So here you go on this part. So this is this. If you can see. Can like, subscribe. So you see what I got to move out the way. So we're going to take this stuff and we're going to put this stuff over here. So that stays. And we move that there and that there and this here. So with that being said like that, that's that. Now, we're going to go back to the video. And say, for instance, we're going to do another word. We're going to do this. And I keep moving that. We're going to do this. I'm going to say subscribe. I'm going to move it down to here. I'm going to add another word. And that word is going to be so entertainment. I'm going to resize that. I'm going to add that there. And then after that, I'm going to hit OK. I'm completed with that. And if you'd like to add music, which sometimes I don't, this is a way that you add music. And then you can go from there and add whatever you like. Now I'm going to go to PicArt and just give you a little thing about PicArt, the way I got my picture done pretty much. Let's do it on a 3-day thing. I always advertising some stuff. So you go to PicArt. I'm going to go to all photos and say, for instance, what can I use? Let's say I'll use this one. So when you're in here, you hit tools, you hit free crop, hit this middle guy right here, this little white guy right here, because you want that free crop. They're going to crop it out for you. Boom, there it is. You hit the arrow next. There that is. Then you hit save, next, save, download photos to your device. Done. It's going to give you this little advertisement. Just hit done again. You go back to your video. Go back here. There's that so far. It's looking good. It's looking good. Like, subscribe. All right. And then this is what I'm going to add here. I'm going to go here again. I'm going to add another background. So let's find another background that I already have. I'll add, I went to video recents. Whoops, let's go to, not the recents. Let's go to, well, yeah, we can go to recents. That's cool. I'll use this white one here. Done. So with this white one, what I'll do is I'll hit the text. No, sorry, not text. I'll hit the photo sticker, add, and I'll add the photo that I just got. And that's how you do it. And that is a project that you could do on your intro. Voila. Hope you guys learned something from this. You guys enjoy, and remember to like and subscribe. And if there's anything you guys may need out there, feel free to hit me up. Fam out.